definitely a sleeping in kind of person, so I'm best in the evenings. Well, face-to-face communication is always the best. Calling is the second best option, so I would go for calling. I enjoy cooking very much, so I have my mini chef, my son, with me, and he's able to do his own eggs right now. So I have a cool video when he's doing like scrambled eggs and like that is definitely cooking. Oh, for me it's definitely the structural approach, but that can be sometimes a pain for others. Oh, well, for sure dogs. Yeah, I always had a dog and love dogs, and cats are not so my thing. It's all about progress. If the process can help you, it's good. If the process does not help you, well, for sure it's not the right process. Oh, trust. Trust is always, well, there's nothing working without trust. Comet is definitely the technology-driven company and giving oneself room to grow. Well, actually, if it was easy, everyone would do it.